Hey everyone, I'm Han from Colorlight. In this episode, I will talk about the great things about the X40M, the flagship dual 4K controller. Powerful data handling. X40M is made by Colorlight. It's a controller that can handle a lot of data. It works with up to 60,384 pixels wide and 8,192 pixels tall. You can use it in many places, visit shows, big meetings, sports stadiums, and more. Flexible screen combination. 6 screens can be put together freely. It fits the needs of showing things in different situations. It has many input ports, like DP, HDMI, DVI, and UDESC ports. These screens can move around and be put together any way you want. It's good for showing many different signals on the screen. High resolution support and efficient transmission. It can handle up to 8K plus 2K with a max of 26 million pixels. X40M has 40 fast network output ports. The whole device can handle up to 26 million pixels for long-distance data sending. It has 14G fiber ports. They can send data very far and steady. You can switch easily between using network ports or fiber ports. Independent audio port. It has a separate audio port, giving great sound right away. The device has high-quality audio in-out. It can separate audio from HDMI or DP, making it easier to use. Convenient UDESC playback. You can play it from UDESC. Simple and easy. It can play many types of pictures and videos. You can copy files from the UDESC to the X40M's own storage. Then you can show things without the UDESC. It plays on its own, saving time and trouble. Easy OSD remote control. You can use OSD remote control to set up it right away. Connect a remote control unit. Use Bluetooth to control it. You can switch signals, call up scenes, change brightness, adjust the volume, and use UDESC or local files. That's all about X40M's best parts in this episode. Stay tuned for the next episode. See you soon!